I am pleased to announce that we are due to start work on a £12 million project to modernise the facilities here at the Gnoll Country Park. We will be building a new 2-storey visitor centre with a cafe which includes balcony views over the lake. We'll have meeting rooms and a children's soft play area. The project will also include a new woodland adventure playground and upgrading Pond Cottage to provide a visitor accommodation. Plus, we'll be restoring parts of the park, installing new information boards and making various other improvements.
As a council, we're dedicated to improving facilities for our local communities and attracting more visitors to boost the local economy. During construction, we'll be providing temporary catering and toilet facilities so you can continue to enjoy the park as usual. When completed, I'm sure the improvements will give this fantastic park a new lease of life. Thank you.